Hey, so remember the day you bought your Ranger Raptor? All the options were there. There was nothing you could really order with it that it didn't already have. You took it home, your neighbor showed up, and you popped open the hood to show him your engine, and you had to pop out the pop rod. Well, it's missing hood struts. So we came out with a really, really nice solution. First thing I did was I went to Amazon and I bought those pieces of crap ones that everybody's putting on. They're really cheap. You know, I had them on for 3 or 4 months, and then I realized it's been in the aluminum hood. Well, probably because the aluminum hood's lighter than the regular Ranger, or it's just a crappy design. So let me show you what we did. It's a real elegant solution. I've got one side on this one here, and you need these tools. When you get it, you're gonna have to pre-install your balls on here. Keep in mind you're gonna have some different nuts in the kit. The ones with the nylocks are gonna fit here. These are actually an SAE thread pitch. The other nuts that are gonna come up here are the flange ones. They're gonna go onto the hood. See how they have the flange on there? They're different than the ones there, so you don't wanna mix these up. And then you're gonna get a little 10mm. You're gonna get these pieces. This is the right side, so we're gonna have you pre-install this. Now there are some instructions in there, but this will walk you through how simple and easy it is. And you're gonna grab these 2 nuts here. You're gonna pre-install this ball with it facing that way. Real simple. You're gonna just pop it into place up in here. You're just gonna push this bracket like that and insert it into there. And you're gonna pop these into there. We're gonna thread this guy on temporarily just to hold it in place. This other one here. And then that guy there. You're gonna tighten those down. You wanna make sure that this is pushed all the way over. See how there's a small gap there? We don't want any gap. So make sure you push this guy all the way over. Okay, and we'll tighten them down. So then your lower bracket's gonna look like this. You're gonna assemble it with the ball facing in, and then we're gonna utilize a factory bolt here, and then we're gonna add this bolt up here. So I'll show you how that installs. Make sure you don't drop that down in the fender. It's a real bear to get to. Not that we know. Okay, so after you've got the bracket assembled, you're gonna slide it through here. I'm gonna grab that hole down there. I'm gonna fish the bolt in from the top. And the nut from here. The bolt head is a 16 and the nut's an 18. After you snug down the fender bolt, we're gonna tighten these guys down. If you want to, you can use a thread lock or something on there. I'm gonna put them on dry. It's a pretty big bolt. And that's it. So now we'll just need to install the hood strut. I've already got the driver's side done. These just snap on. And this guy here snaps in place. And now you're done. So as you can see, both these are nice and light. We're not having to yank down on it. These are designed for the aluminum hoods on the Raptor Ranger. And then you'll also see that we have a specific right and a left-hand bracket. You also notice here we've got additional mounting tabs for a light mount that we've got coming. A real heavy-duty mount down below. So one of the biggest changes we did versus the Amazon special was we now have the mounting stud going this direction, where the import style, they just kind of pop up in there and they're sitting at this angle. So that piece, there's not a whole lot going on there. Now we've got this big bracket going down and then the stud going this direction, where normally this thing would pop in this way and then it snaps in up here. And now we're moving it like that instead of it being on its side. So we feel this is a much, much better solution. And then here you can see in the difference in the lower, this is a lower bracket from an Amazon special where it just kind of bolts into that fender washer only over there. We're kind of doing similar, but we've got much heavier material and we're bolting in to that as well. Then we're coming in here and we're tying into this upper bolt up top, a little bit heavier duty. So instead of being bolted in with just one bolt, we're actually bolted in with 2 on 2 different planes too. So now your Ranger Raptor has all the options, including hood struts. Thanks and happy trails.